Okay. One, introduce ourselves. Okay. Ready na ba tayo? O sige. Usa, dua, tulo. Let's light it up. We are Blast.
So what's up, Manila? What's up, everyone? My name is Aaron, and I am the leader of Blast. Nice to meet you all.
Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Dai. I am the singer, composer, the main rapper, and the lead dancer of the group.
Hi everyone, my name is Marky and I'm the senior dancer of the group.
It's Manila! Make some noise! Yeah! Everyone, my name is Jamin, and I am the main vocalist of the group.
What's up, Manila? Hello everyone, my name is Cloud and I'm the main dancer of the group. Now together we are Blast!
At syempre, gusto lang namin pasalamatan yung dahilan kung bakit nandito kami. Syempre, Gray! Alam mo na dyan sila. Happy birthday, thank you so much and happy birthday. It's your 21st birthday, you deserve it. And also to Asters for supporting your brother here. And also to you guys, nice to meet you! Grabe! Nakita na kayo!
It's our first time here in
Diba?
Manila.
Ang daming familiar faces here, like yung mga di natin nakikita hits.
Yes.
Dito sila nakikita ko yung iba.
Your head.
Yeah, thank you so much guys. Yun lang. Sobrang saya na nandito kami sa Manila ngayon. Thank you. Thank you guys.
Thank you everyone.
Happy birthday, Gray!
Birthday, Gray.
Thank you guys. Thank you for having us.
Actually, natanongin ko sana muna kung ano yung meaning ng barog para alam din nila before tayo mag-text. Yung barog yung
Sige, meaning ng barog eh.
Actually, yung meaning ng Baroque, sinulat ko yung kanta na yun. Siyempre, gusto ko din na malaman ko yung mga ideas ng mga brothers ko dito. So, bali, sinabi ko sa kanila kung paano natin ito gagawin. Baroque is, alam mo ba yung meaning ng Baroque? It's a Bisaya word. Wala bang Bisaya dito? Wala. Baroque is stand up.
Yes, tayo.
Bisaya? Baroque is stand up in English. So like, we all rise. No matter what pain we're going through, and kung ano man yung challenges na nasusubukan natin sa araw-araw, dapat bigyan natin yung dahilan yung sarili natin para tumayo lagi. Kapag example, tinatamad na tayong maligo, pero kailangan natin tumayo, pero tatayo tayo. Kaya Baroque.
Ayun po. Thank you very much, Blast, for being here sa birthday event ni Gray. So yun po.
Thank you guys.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Gray.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Greg.